The universe is saying to you, my lovely child, it's time for you to get specific with yourself about where you are going. It's time for you to start letting go of certain memories, toxic people, and anything else that's holding you back from your next chapter. Leave them in the past where they belong. Start moving forward in the direction where you belong. Don't worry about what anyone thinks of your moves as long as you are happy making them. Keep your dreams between yourself, the universe, and the happy spirits who want to see you shine. Life-changing blessings have already been set in place for you. This next step is the one you have been waiting for. Type yes if you